Fashion Fresh here, live, fixing this computer right now, because I am multi-talented, as you can see. Definitely holler at me if you need your PC fresh for less. That's my logo. Fresh PC repair, coming soon. Well, actually it's here, been here for a little minute, but you know, still trying to get it bubbled a little bit, trying to get a name out, trying to make everybody see what it's about. You know what I'm saying? Fresh PC. We in the neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? We want people to holler at us and shit like that, you know, because we definitely fix them PCs, printers, whatever. So I got software, everything. See? Let me show you. Right there, you see all that? All wiring. Software, equipment, and go down to the books too, because I get it funky with the books too. See, I got mad software. See this? It's just a little computer I was working on, a little something. I had a little quick little virus, but I handled that, you know, thanks to McAfee. Gotta get your McAfee, man. McAfee is what's important if you want to save them PCs. Definitely get you a copy of McAfee, or you can holler at me at freshtv at 856-283-8152. So that's it for now, man. Fresh TV here, man, introducing Fresh PC. We live in my lab, holding it down. Shout out to the High Tech Institute too, man. That's where I got all my knowledge on as far as the computers go. So shout out to them. You know what I'm saying? No doubt. Fresh TV once again. Fresh PC repair. We here now. Holler at me if you want that PC repaired. One.